2024, PDP could boycott peace accord signing. Tensions are rising in Edo State as the September 21st governorship election approaches. Electoral officials and security forces are finalizing preparations to ensure a smooth and peaceful process. Governor Godwin Obaseki has dropped a bombshell, hinting that his party, the PDP, might boycott the traditional pre-election peace accord signing.
From the developments and where we are today, I think my party met yesterday and we're not likely to sign this agreement. The person who is supposed to enforce peace, the peace accord, is now an active participant in creating a destructive environment.
The governor's concerns stem from what he calls a pattern of bias by the police against PDP members. According to Obaseki, at least 10 PDP chieftains have been arrested and whisked away to Abuja in recent weeks. One high-profile case involves the chairman of Eastern West local government area. The arrests have raised eyebrows, with the governor questioning why this case are not being handled within the Edo State jurisdiction.
As we speak, there are about 10 in detention in Abuja without trial. 2 days ago, they came to pick up a local government chairman. This man, the chairman was going back home. He was attacked and shot at. And the police, he reported, and the police said he should come to give evidence. He came, they arrested him. And as I speak, he's in Abuja. I'm saying, how? Even if offenses were committed in Edo State, why would you not charge the offenses here and try them here? Why take them to Abuja?
This situation is unprecedented. It is not just about the arrest, but the manner in which they are being carried out. It is creating an atmosphere of fear and intimidation, said an analyst. But the controversy does not end there. The state PDP chairman, Dr. Anthony Ezegbemi, has sounded another alarm. Ezegbemi claims that both the new resident electoral commissioner and the recently deployed police commissioner have close ties with Nyesom Wike, the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and a known APC ally. These allegations have PDP supporters on edge, with many fearing the election's integrity might already be compromised. As the clock ticks down to the election day, all eyes are on Edo State. Will the PDP sign the peace accord? And more importantly, can this election be truly free and fair? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on the Edo State governorship election at NaijaNews TV.